Hi children, how are you? Today we can revise the chapter 2 polynomial, especially in that chapter as we did before. Factorization. Factorization of a polynomial by splitting the middle term. I'm talking about polynomial. So here quadratic polynomial, not quadratic equation, there is another one we can do after this one. Quadratic polynomial I'm talking about. That also factorization of a quadratic polynomial by splitting the middle term. See first s square plus bs plus c. That is the general form. Another form is the s square plus bs plus c. First I am talking about s square plus bs plus c. How can we do this one? Okay. For example, s square plus x minus 72. Here you had to remember one identity. Many identities we studied from 8, 9, and then 11 identities are there. Anyway, this identity is useful, I think so. S plus A into S plus B, that is equal to S square plus A plus B x plus A into B. Listen here S square plus x minus 72. Now we can see instead of A plus B, here that is 1 into A plus B into x, then A into B. What is A into B? Minus 72. Okay, fine. Here A plus B is A plus B, that is equal to 1. The coefficient of S term, A plus B is equal to 1. Then A into B, the product is equal to, what is the product here? Tell me what is the product here. Okay, what is the product? That is now 72 minus 72, be careful, minus. Always minus, plus, don't confuse. Now here, A plus B is equal to 1, AB is equal to minus 72. So here also you will confuse here, B is there. That is why here what and instead of A plus B, can I write L plus M or another L plus M? That is better. L plus M. A plus B is L plus M. And AB, that is LM. That means now whenever you're getting a polynomial like this, you do one thing instead of avoid A plus B. L plus M is equal to 1, then L into M is equal to minus 72. Okay, don't think L, lion, M, mango, monkey like that. No. This is two numbers. Addition of two numbers 1. You can see here. A multiplication of two numbers is minus 72. That is it. So find out two numbers. Addition is 1. A multiplication is minus 72. A plus B, L plus M. Okay, sir. Addition is 1. A multiplication is minus 72. Okay, multiplication minus 72, I can say. Look here. 36 into 2. Or 36 into minus 2. Exactly 36 into minus 2 is minus 72. But what is 36 plus minus 2? That is not 1. That is 36 minus 2 is 34, but we need 1. Now we have to think about two numbers. Minus 72 is the multiplication and addition is 1. Here we can understand, we can think logically your math, Minus me, whenever you multiply two numbers of different sign, we are getting minus. Same sign, plus, multiplication or division of same sign. Minus into minus, plus into plus, plus. But plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus. For division also same thing. Multiplication of different sign is negative. You know that. Division means multiplication. Reciprocal multiplication, I told you many times. There are no two operations, one is addition, one is multiplication. Subtraction is change the sign and add, and division is reciprocal multiplication. Many times I am reminding again. So here we have to find out two numbers. After finding your work is over. Okay, sir. 72. Factorize 72. 2. 36. 2. 18. Again 2. That means prime factor. I am talking about prime factors. 9. Now we cannot. Now we cannot divide by 2. Which is the next prime number? Okay, 3 divided by 3. So 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are. I think you can see. 3 3s are 9. So how can we manipulate this one? 72. Okay. We can see. Look, 2 into 2 into 2. 8. 3 into 3. 9. So 8 into 9. 8 times 9. 72. Okay, we got 72. But we have to arrange minus 72. One clue. I told you algebra, like a puzzle we can do, like puzzles. Take a number here, 72, 8 and 9. But minus 1 must be 9. Minus. So what I can do? Okay, I give you minus 8. Minus 8 into 9 minus 72. Okay, minus 8 plus 9. Okay, 9 minus 8 is 1. We got it. Suppose you are taking 8 and minus 9. 8 into minus 9, minus 72. But what is 8 plus minus 9? That is minus 1. So we got it. We got the answer. So what is the method? We know the numbers are 9 and minus 8. Numbers are 9 and minus 8. Now what is the method? You got A and B. So look here. Here only X. We have to write X here. Then one bracket. You have to write X here. Another bracket. Now listen here what I am doing. What you got? 9 S plus 9. What is here? Minus 8 S minus 8. We got the answer. So the factorization is S plus 9 into S minus 9. Exactly. 9 is minus 72. 9 minus 8. A plus B. That is 1x. So it is easy. It is not hard. Okay. I think you understood. Yeah, you understood the concept. Okay, fine. Now listen here. It is very easy what I told you. As before, use the identity. Remember the identity. S plus A into S plus B. A plus B. L plus M. You are taking what is the coefficient of X and product minus 70 to the LM. Then you are finding two numbers which are multiplication is that and addition is the coefficient of X. Multiplication is this is C. After that, put in two brackets or two bags. X is already there. Why X is there? Because X is the variable here. It is Px, polynomial on X. Suppose it is the polynomial on Y. We can say Py is equal to y square plus by plus c. Then here will be y plus 10, y minus 8. Okay? I think you understood this one. There is no confusion. It is easy. Now, let me talk about second one. That means general form of that one. Actually, that is the concept for a quadratic equation. This also you studied, class 8, class 9, split in the middle term. Now, second, Px that is equal to as square plus bx plus c. A square plus b bs plus c. This is a polynomial I am talking about. You study quadratic equation a square plus bs plus c is equal to 0. LHS and RHS will be for the equation. Now, how can we do this one? A square plus bx plus c is there. So what is the method? How can we do? Okay. So here also we can split in the middle. The heading is by splitting the middle. Many methods are there. But here we have to apply by splitting the middle term. Middle term only. Which is the middle term? Yes, bx. Here also b. Here x is the middle boy, middle man. So we split the middle term, this x only, not here. See middle term L plus M, that we are splitting that. Anyway, now listen here, what I am doing. Through an example, we can do a simple example. Suppose 4x square minus 3x minus 1. 4x minus 3x minus 1. Okay. So, how can we do this one? Suppose the question here, example, minus 3x for does it matter, plus 3x, does it matter? Now, example for this one. 4x, okay, plus 3x minus 1. Listen carefully. 4x minus, no, plus 3x minus 1. How can we do this? Here, a for came. So that case, you have to take L plus M, not the coefficient of x only. L into M. See, L plus M, okay, coefficient of x. What is L into M? Multiplication. Then bigger or a small thing you have to remember. What? So here, LM, L plus M, okay, same thing. Addition of two numbers. What is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is 3. Yes, coefficient of x is 3. Then what is L into M? If you are multiplying two numbers, what is it? Be careful here. Okay. Here, A into C. That means 4 into minus 1. Here, remember that A into C. That is AC. What is your AC? Not this AC. What is A? 4. 4 into minus 1. That is minus 4. Listen here. Before that also, no AC, A was 1 here. 1 into C, 1 into minus 72. This is the general form. AC, there I am not, I didn't tell that time because now I am telling. The method is A into C, the product, that is L into M, that is 4 into minus 1, minus 4, and here 1 into C, that means 1 into minus 72, minus 72. So don't confuse. Now think, how can we split the middle term? Actually here it was split in the middle term, but no need of doing like that. Directly you can apply the formula. You have ready-made formula with you. S plus A into S plus B, A plus BX, AB. So we can go reverse of this one. X you got, X is there in the variable, 9 and 10 you got, S plus 9, S minus 8, put in the bracket. Okay, now listen here. Here what to do? Any shortcut is there. As I told you, shortcut is not a wrong cut. So we can think about any method, anything are, many things are. Okay, fine. Now, 4x plus 3x minus 1. What are you doing? Splitting the middle term. Who is the middle term? What is the middle term? Tell me what is there in the middle term. Okay, here, middleman. Here, you know this is the middle term. You have to split. Don't split, don't touch this. First term, don't touch the last term, middle term only, because they are dangerous, strong. So you can split the middle term, that is your friend, as he might, he will adjust. Now, for x, you have to write for x only. Here, for x, now minus 1 you have to write. Now split the middle term. How? AC is equal to minus 4 and L plus M is equal to 3. Now think about two numbers. Multiplication is 4 and addition is 3. What is it? Okay, 4 and 1. 4 and 1, sir. 4 into 1, that is 4. And 4 minus 4 plus 1, that is 5, sir. Okay, we need 4. So one clue we are getting here. What is that? Here minus is there. So 1 must be plus and 1 must be minus. So you have to think logically. Whenever you are multiplying to different sign only minus. So which one minus? Okay, I am putting minus 4. Minus 4 and 1, okay. Minus 4 into 1, that is minus 4. But minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3. But here, 3. Okay, okay, so we can do 4 and minus 1. That is it. 4 and minus 1. This is wrong. Don't do this one. This is wrong. 4 and minus 1. Okay. Do you agree? You agree or not? Okay. Understood or not? Okay. Now, 4 and minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay. So, we can do here 3x. That is equal to, what you got? 4 minus 1x. Exactly, that is 3x. Same thing, we are splitting only, not different way. 5 means 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 2 plus 3 is 5. So think like this is minus 1 is 5, like that one. 4 minus 1. Okay, that is 3. Now we can do like this. 4x, here 4x minus x minus 1. Exactly. This is your polynomial now. Same thing. Split the middle term. See, you can see 4x. You split the middle term. That means 4x, 3x. I delete the red color. 4x minus x. That means 3x. Now the method is you have to group only. You have to group. No need of writing again. But for exam, don't do like that. You can do very fast because 3 marks, 2 marks like that only. 4x, then plus 4x, correct? 4x plus 4x minus x minus 1. Now, 4 terms are there. Terms are separated by addition. Now here 4 terms are there. So by factorization, you have to make two terms. Now from here, 4x plus 4x. Okay, both are same. Don't add the 9 of 4x plus 4x is 8 square. No, we made mistake here. Listen here. It is not 4x, it is 4s square. 4s square. 4s square. 4s square. See, 4s square, 4s square, and 4s square. Now let me conclude this one. You understood? Because 4x plus 3x, you have to tell me, nobody told me. 4s square, because a square plus bx plus c. So 4s square plus 4 minus 1, no, you cannot add now. 4s square plus 4x. So x minus 1. When you are taking example, be careful. See, I also made mistake. Here, 4s square plus 4s minus x minus 1. Now what we can take outside? Here it is sure that means quadratic polynomial. You didn't ask me. Quadratic polynomial we are doing. 3s square. So 4s square plus 4x minus x minus 1. I think you can take 4x outside and what is inside. So put the bracket here, one bracket here, another bracket here. Now listen, 4x I am taking outside. So what is here? 4x square divided by 4x. So if you are not following, you can do division. 4x square divided by 4x. Cut this 4 and 4 and square and x. So what is left there? X plus, what is the 4s divided by 4s? That you know that is 1. Correct? Same number, 4s divided by 4s. Cut and put 1. So s plus 1. What I am telling? After getting s plus 1 in this red bag or red bracket, or you have the red bag, so you had to put the same thing here. Suppose, what is this? S plus 1. So put the same thing, s plus 1. Now look, so it is s minus 1. Okay, doesn't matter, don't be scared. S minus 1. So look outside. We need s plus 1. Here it is minus. Put minus. Minus what? Minus 1. Something. 1 here to write. 1 into x is 1. 1. So minus 1 into x, minus x, minus into plus, minus 1. Exactly right. Now our work is over. What is here? Blue color. Don't cut, keep. That means two bags keep together. Take out say the common thing. That means s plus 1. S plus 1 into what is the 4x minus 1. That is it. S plus 1 into 4x minus 1. That is it. Okay, I think you understood this one. Quadratic polynomial s square plus bs plus c. You know general form of quadratic polynomial is s square plus bs plus c. Linear polynomial ax plus b. What we wrote? 4x, no, not 3 terms. S square, maximum at most 3 terms. If it is x, we know that ax plus b, that is the general form of a linear polynomial. By mistake, we didn't put the 2, power 2, that is a quadratic polynomial. Power 1, it is a linear polynomial. A linear polynomial, a linear equation, at most, a linear polynomial has 2 terms, at most. A quadratic polynomial, 3 terms. This is the standard form, general form. A square plus bs plus c. Don't confuse. See, 4s square plus 3s minus 1. Our concept is splitting the middle term of a quadratic polynomial, not linear polynomial. Okay, so a square plus bs plus c. So I think you understood the concept. Now another example. We did 2 examples here. We can do another example. Suppose here it is minus is coming. What will happen? What will happen? Think about that. Suppose the question is 4x square minus 3x minus 1. What will happen? 4x. What will happen? Tell me. Here s plus 1. 4s minus 1. If it is minus 3s, you can think about that and you can do. Try to do that. For a square, minus 3x and minus 1. What happened? You can check that. Okay. Now, another example. So, write the example. I am writing the example. This is over. I think you understood this one. 4x square plus 3x. Then after I gave you, try if minus 3x minus, suppose plus minus. Try what happened. Okay. You can do the work. You can make the question also. Doesn't matter. Now, second one. Suppose The question is another question example third. Suppose Pt, this is polynomial on t, Pt is equal to 5t square plus 7 plus 12t. 5t square plus 7 plus 12t. So, what is this? How can we do? Okay, you will confuse. You are confusing. Are you confusing or not? Don't confuse. Think the problem. It is a quadratic polynomial. I think we have to arrange something here. Okay, so general form is a square plus bs plus c. After a square, after t square, there must be t. Okay, this I can write 5t square plus 12t plus 7. Okay, now as before a square plus bs plus c. Now tell me what is L plus m? What is L into m? Okay, L plus m is the coefficient of the t or s term. Yeah, s term, coefficient of t. So L plus m is 12. Then Lm 5 into 7, that is 35. These all are plus, there is no confusion. It is easy now. Now the method is splitting the middle term. You are the middle term, we are going to split you. Okay, 35. 5 into 7, okay, 12. 5 plus 7, 12. 5 7s are 35. So the numbers are 5 and 7. L, that is equal to 5 and m is equal to 7. 5 7s are 36, no, 35. 5 plus 7, 12. So it is easy. So only split in the middle term. As before, thing, that is a me. You can do that. Do and show me, do. All of you, please, do and show me this one. Okay. Show me like, okay. Start. I told you 5t square, don't touch the square term, that is strong. And last term, see, that is constant also, don't touch. Here, split in the middle term. This we can split into 5t plus 70. 5 plus 7, 12. So, here, this I am splitting 5t and 7t. Am I right or not? 12 means 5 plus 5t plus 7t, that is 12t. That I am writing here, this is 5t plus 7t. Yes, 5t plus 7t. It is correct, sir, 12t. Am I right or not? Okay. Now after that, 4 terms, you can group it 2 in pair, then take common. 5t plus 5t square, I can take out 5t, and after that 5t take outside. So tell me, inside now black bracket is there. Before the red I made. Now suppose the black bag, you had to keep inside something. So same bag, same thing, black bag is there. I am carrying this black bag, then carrying this another black bag. We need the same thing. We need the same thing in the bag. Maybe rice. You also need rice. That means 5 kilogram rice, 5 kilogram rice only. Okay. But here not right. Here not rice. What you are getting here? 5t outside. So 5t, it is t plus 1. Sir, what do you got t plus 1? In my bag also t plus 1. Understand? Same thing in this bag, that means in this bracket. Close your eyes and write same thing. Then only we can take out, say, common thing. We need common thing. Common thing only we can take outside. Understand? If you have 50 and she has 100. I cannot take 100 from both of you. 50 and 50. 50 from you. Ziyad also 50 from Fatima also I can take outside. Understand? 100 I cannot take, only from her only. No, Ziyad don't have. Then we common thing I'm taking outside. T1, T plus 1, T plus 1. Now look, open the eyes and see. What is that? 70 plus 7. So T plus 7. 70 divided by T. 70 divided by T. That means 7. 7 into T plus 1. Correct? 70 plus 7. So the sign, there is no confusion. Plus. Okay, before that it is minus something, there was a confusion for you. There is no confusion now. Now what is there? As before, take outside this t plus 1 from this bag and this bag. Take outside t plus 1 common t plus 1. That is why we made what is left there? 5t plus 7. T plus 1 into 5t plus 1. That is the answer. We got the answer. T plus 1 into 5t plus 1. This is the factorization. I think you understood the concept. What I told you, s square plus bs plus c and split in the middle term. Example, 2-3 example we did. Here 5t square plus 7 plus 20, okay. S square plus bs plus c. That is the general form. We arrange this one and middle term only we split into that one. What is that? Addition and multiplication. L plus m, Lm. Don't confuse what is L and m. That is two numbers only. Think two numbers. Multiplication is 12. Addition is 12 and multiplication is 35. Be careful about the sign. After getting the number, you know, put the bracket as I told you at the back. Put the bracket. Same thing we have to put in the bracket. Here do the arrange that it will be 4 terms, split in the middle term. 3 plus 1, 4 terms will be there. Then that 4 term we are arranging 2, 2. So after that common thing we are taking, common thing, same bracket. What we are getting in this bracket? It must be same thing in other bracket, then only common we can take outside. Then take outside t plus 1 in my pocket. And what is left there? 5t plus 1. T plus 1 and 5t plus 1. You got the factorization. This is the factorization. Understand? You know the factorization? Prime factors, everything we studied before. Okay then. Thank you. I think you understood the concept very clearly. Tomorrow I will give more examples.